For years, running AI meant renting expensive cloud servers, managing complex infrastructure, and scaling costs with every user. Now, JavaScript has changed the game. AI can run right inside your browser with almost no server costs and stronger data privacy than ever before. Thanks to technologies like WebGPU and WebAssembly, web browsers can now run sophisticated AI models, image recognition, pose tracking, even language understanding, directly on users' devices. Performance is now fast enough for real-world applications rivaling native apps in speed and accuracy. Traditional cloud AI setups can cost thousands of dollars per month per million operations. With Edge AI and JavaScript, most computation happens in the user's device. So once your app is built, your ongoing costs are minimal. When AI runs on-device, sensitive data such as images, audio, or text inputs never need to be uploaded to a remote server. That means stronger privacy, simpler GDPR and CCPA compliance, and greater trust from users who know their data stays under their control. You don't need to switch to Python or build a new backend. Libraries like TensorFlow.js, ML5.js, and Onyx Runtime Web let you add AI features using the same async, await patterns, and tools you already use in JavaScript development. Modern browsers now support WebGPU, giving JavaScript access to real GPU acceleration. That means real-time pose detection, face tracking, and object recognition at speeds close to native applications. You don't have to start from scratch. Pre-trained models for object detection, sentiment analysis, and pose estimation are ready to use right away, so you can prototype in hours and scale confidently when you're ready. Emerging standards like WebNN are pushing this even further, making in-browser AI faster and more efficient than ever. AI is no longer locked in the cloud. It's right here in your browser. And for developers, that means new opportunities to build faster, safer, and more cost-efficient AI applications. So we've just scratched the surface, and if you're ready to dive deeper, head on over to triveratech.com to see our full course catalog. Got burning questions or topics you'd like to see us cover? Share them in the comments or email us. Follow us on all socials at Trivera Tech to make sure you don't miss out on any of our content. Trivera Tech, where experience is everything.